Welcome to MathSolve. In this video, we are going to solve the trigonometric equations with compound angles, and you can see we are starting with the two example. The first one cos 3x, and we need to find out the value of x. And then second one sine of x minus 250 degree equal to square root of 3 over 2, and we need to find out the value of x again. And in both cases we are trying to solve when the x is restricted from 0 to 360 degree. So what I'm doing here for the first one, I'm trying to say that our x is going to be restricted from 0 degree to 360 degree. Okay. When we are solving the first one, let's say we have cos 3x equal to minus half. We can straight away say that, let's say 3x equal to u. Okay, so it's easy because we can just straight away say, okay, then cos of, instead of 3x we can just say cos of u equal to minus half, right? So now it's easy to solve because cos u equal to minus cos of 60 degree. If you see that it is negative 60, so when cos is negative, cos is negative is in here, so you can say this is our 60 degree for example, and this is our 60 degree for example. So because cos is negative in the second and third quadrant, we know that first and fourth quadrant cos is positive, right? So these are the two quadrant cos is negative, so our answer is sitting in the second and third quadrant, right? So we can straight away say this one is basically 120, right? So this is the angle which is 120, and if you come down to this one, definitely it is 180 plus 60, so this angle is 60, so 180, so it is 240 degree, right? Okay, so one is 100 240 and another one is 120 degree. So because here and here cos is negative, that's what I try to show. Now we can straight say u equal to 120 or 240. Okay, now the interesting thing is, don't forget that it is not u, it is our x, right? But when you are having the restriction for x, you need to check what is that restriction for u. And in order to get, you know that it's a 3x, so 3x, if I do 3x, it would be 3 times of 360, which is 1080 degree, right? And if you multiply by 3 for this 0, it's 0 degree anyway, so that's it. So it means your u, the restriction for u is going to be changed, and then for u it will be 1080 degree and 0 degree. So it means we cannot stop 120 and 240, because 120 and 240 is just going to the one cycle, but you see that we can go up to 1080, which is 3 cycle. So if you go 3 times, if you just go over and over 3 times, definitely you will go if you go second time, it will be 360 plus 120, right? So 360 120, it will be 480, right? And 360 plus 240, right? So it's a 600. Or if I go for third cycle, so it's 720, so 720 plus 120, am I right? So 720 plus 120, 840, right? And then 720, so 960, so 720 plus 240, so 720 is coming, and then 240, so 960. And now you know that u is basically what? U is 3x, right? So it is basically, I can write down 3x equal to 120, 240, 480, 600, 840, and then 960, right? Now if I write down, if I just, we want to find out the value of x, so we need to divide all these by 3, which is 40 degree, 80 degree, right? Then 160 degree, right? All degrees, right? And then 200 degree, and then 280 degree, and then 320 degree. So look at the second one. So we have, again we can do the same thing here. Again the restriction for x is 0 degree, 360 degree to 360 degree, right? Now, as I said, you can say our x minus 250 degree equal to u, right? So it means why we are doing that, because we don't want to write down in a complex or compound form. We can just write the sine u equal to square root 3 over 2. It looks simple to us, and then we can easily solve it, because we know that sine u equal to sine of 60 degree, which is square root 3 over 2. So it means u will be 60 degree. But if you look at again our which quadrant our angles are sitting, 60 degree, definitely sine is positive, so it's sitting somewhere here. So that's 60 degree, right? 60 degree position. Now we have to understand, and sine is also positive in the second quadrant, which is here. It is here, right? It is somewhere here. Okay, 60 degree. Okay, now we need to look at the condition. So if you go for so this is 60 degree anyway. Okay, and this is 60 degree. Now if you go for the condition x u equal to x minus 250, so we need to go for the condition for u, not for x. So in order to convert to u, we know that it's a 250 degree. This is give you u, so x minus 250, so it means we have to subtract 250 for all these, for 360 minus 250, which is 110 degree, and 0 degree minus 250, which is giving us negative 250 degree. So it means our u, the restriction for u will be 110 degree and negative 250 degree. Okay, okay, now see, if you want to go the first one, obviously you are correct, 60 degree, that's fine, it is within our range. But if you go for the second arm in this way, in that way, I mean the anti-clockwise, it will be 120 degree, which is beyond our range. So we cannot read that angle from the anti-clockwise direction. We have to go to the clockwise direction. And if you go to the clockwise direction, it would be negative 180 plus 60, so negative 240. Am I right? So negative 240. So I can write down the answer will be either 60 degree or negative 240 degree. Okay, negative 240, because this is negative 240 degree position. Now we can't stop here, because we need to find out the value of x. So we know what is u. U is x minus 250 degree. So it is either 60 degree or minus 240 degrees. So then what is the value of x? We just need to add 250 degree for both. So if you add that 250, because negative 250 go to the other side is a positive 250, so you have to add them both sides. So it means it would be 60 plus 250, which is 310, or minus 240 plus 250, which is just 10 degree. So our solution will be either x equal to 310 or 10 degree. So what we learn here, when we have the compound angles, try to convert it as a unit, which is u, then it is easy to solve. And then we have to change the restriction for u instead of x, so we have to change it to u, and then see which angle we have to go for. And then finally we need to write down our answer for x. So whenever you get the solution for u, try to convert it to the x by using the term that you consider as a u. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you'd like to see more up-to-date videos.